Hi Simply Bakers, it's Lainey, and today I'm sharing with you another dairy-free recipe. It's super easy and I'm pretty sure you have all the ingredients in your pantry. So let's begin! So in a large bowl, I added the sugar cane, which is a type of sugar, a healthier type of sugar, and brown sugar. These are both vegan. And then I added the oil, and you have to make sure to use canola oil because the flavor isn't as strong or you can't even taste it. Then you're going to use your handheld mixer and mix it until everything is well combined. To the same bowl, add the cornstarch. This helps thicken the batter. Add half a cup of non-dairy milk. I use vanilla almond milk. Feel free to use what you have available, and then add vanilla extract and continue mixing until this is well combined. And guys, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you can get all of my latest recipes first. So back to the recipe, add the whole wheat flour, that's 1 cup, and then I added some of the seasonings, which I will list in the description box. And then I mixed it a little bit, and then I added all-purpose flour. So I started using my handheld mixer to mix the batter, but then I realized it's gonna get very doughy, so I decided to use my spatula and continue mixing. So once the flour is pretty mixed in with the rest of the batter, go ahead and add the chocolate chips. You can use vegan chocolate chip, which is also called carob, but if you guys can't get either of those, you can just use regular chocolate chips. So mix, mix, mix. And once you're done mixing, we're going to transfer the cookie dough onto a cookie sheet. I always like to line my cookie sheet with parchment paper, but you can also use foil or a baking mat. I like to use parchment paper because I'm kind of careful what I put into my body, and basically you're just eating trees, right? Because paper is made from trees. Anyway, so what you're going to do is you're going to scoop the cookie dough onto the cookie sheet, and you're going to flatten the cookie because they don't really flatten out unless you flatten it. So then I placed the cookie sheet into the oven and baked it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. So once it was done baking, I removed the cookie sheet from the oven and then I allowed it to cool for about 5 minutes on the pan. Then I went ahead and transferred it to a cookie rack. So you who are watching, I need your help. Can you let me know in the comments what recipe you would like me to bake next? So those of you who are interested how this cookie tastes like, I could definitely taste the whole wheat cookies or the whole wheat flour, but other than that, it tasted like a regular cookie that you can buy or make using butter and eggs. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for bearing with me with this video. I don't know if you could tell, but the lighting was off in some places because it is cloudy. It actually snowed in my area. Here's a picture. Isn't it beautiful? Anyway guys, thank you again. I will see you on Friday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bye guys!